Welcome to the Autodesk Technology Center in San Francisco.
Here we are in Chicago at MXD.
Today we'll be featuring rapid robotics.
Can't believe they renewed us for a season 2, but
We must have done something right.
My name is Ryan Kelly. I'm a manufacturing and supply chain technologist for AMT. It's more secure and it allows you to take advantage of the data in a way that you would not have been able to do so before. My job is to get tech in the industry faster.
Cybersecurity techniques we'll demonstrate today that are appropriate for all manufacturers who wish to secure their operations.
Robotics as a service is a game-changing technology, and we have the case study to prove it.
how do you make it stop?
That's making the trailer too.
Give us 10 minutes, and we'll give you a smarter shop. Today we'll be featuring rapid robotics.